Want to know if someone might be spying on your phone? Here's how to check quickly and easily. First, look at the status bar. If you see an orange dot, your microphone is active. A green dot means your camera, or camera and mic, is in use. If you're not on a call or using an app that needs those sensors, this is your first red flag. Next, check call forwarding. Open your phone dialer, enter *#21# and tap call. If any call forwarding is enabled when you didn't set it up, someone could be diverting your calls. Then head into your settings. Tap on phone, go to calls on other devices, and remove any gadgets you don't recognize. In call forwarding, make sure it's off unless you intentionally turned it on. Under messages, check text message forwarding and remove any devices that aren't yours. Review location services in settings under privacy and security. Any app with a small arrow icon has recently accessed your location. If you don't trust that app, change its permission to never. Finally, check your battery usage in settings. Open battery and look at which apps have consumed the most power. If you see an app you never opened, delete it. It could be running spyware in the background. Also, tap on your Apple ID at the top of settings, view devices, and remove any entries you don't recognize. That's it, 5 simple checks to help you find and stop unwanted monitoring on your phone. If this helped you, please tap like, share your favorite privacy tip in the comments, and subscribe for more quick security tutorials.